I'm Mike Hakase, and this is Shashibo, the shape-shifting box by Fun in Motion Toys. This little box can transform into hundreds of different shapes, keeping little hands busy and minds ever expanding into a three-dimensional world of geometry and fun. With lots of surprises waiting, your kids are going to love folding and unfolding and refolding Shashibo into all kinds of amazing geometric creations. Like this shape, like this shape, like this shape. Whoa. And this shape. It's like a playground of geometry where kids can explore 3D space using these triangles to create different combinations. Shashibo is made by Fun in Motion Toys, a company focused on movement arts, STEM-inspired toys that get kids thinking, creating, and moving. This kind of toy is amazing for developing spatial reasoning. As kids play, they naturally practice visualizing rotation, symmetry, and how one 3D form can transform into another. It really feels like an endless sandbox. Your fingers will thank me. Incredible! It's like a playground for busy fingers. Kids can explore different shapes and combinations. How does it work? It's made with plastic panels. These are all triangles, and inside are magnets, which give it a nice kind of snappy feeling and snappy sound. If it flows, it goes. And oh boy, does it go. Look, oh, got it back into a box. And the fun doesn't stop. If you have 2 Shashibo or more, you can combine them to make even more shapes. These cool structures are great for kids who love art, mathematics, architecture, building. Kids who love Rubik's Cube are gonna love one of these. They're not that cheap, but you will get hundreds of hours of fun and enjoyment out of your Shashibo. So I recommend you try it for sure. So I hope you get one of these and let me know what you think. I'm Mike Hakase, and I'll be introducing some of my favorite toys here on the channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!